Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the Chromebook if you forgot your password. First method is you can reset Chromebook from the sign in screen. At the login screen, do not attempt to log in. Press and hold Ctrl, Alt and Shift and R simultaneously. The prompt will appear, then click Restart option. On the next screen, select Powerwash and then tap on Continue to confirm. The Chromebook will reset the factory setting, removing all user data and accounts. After reset, you can set up the Chromebook again and log in with your Google account using your current Google account password. Please remember, the first Google account you enter for the login will be your owner Gmail account. And this method works best if your device is not restricted by enterprise. That means if your Chromebook is used by your school or work organization, this method sometime will be not working. So you have to try the other methods I will show in this video. So the next method is you have to reset Google account password first if you want to keep your data and regain access. If your Chromebook password is your Google account password and you forget it, you have to reset your Google account password by visiting, go to Google account and recovery on another device. After changing your Google account password online, sign into the Chromebook with the new password. If you still can't log in without reset, then use the Powerwash method I told you earlier. If your Powerwash is fail or recovery mode for severe issues, first you need to turn off your Chromebook, press and hold ESC and refresh key on your keyboard, then press the power button. When the recovery screen appears, press Ctrl+D to enter the developer mode, or follow the on-screen instruction to reinstall Chrome OS and reset the device. This resets your Chromebook completely but also erases all your local data. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.